We got the HBIC here. No introduction really needed. You guys know who this dude is.
Put the glasses on.
Yeah, man, you gotta have the glass. There we go.
HBIC. Oh my God. Subscribe, Gary PBMGR. You know, God. Dude, today's your birthday, right?
I know.
You know what that means? Punches.
Anybody touch me, I'm gonna drop kick.
You're playing Yu-Gi-Oh! on your birthday. What does that say about your life?
I have nothing else better to do until tomorrow.
What else better is he gonna do? It's fucking format change and everything. He's got this.
This is the best time to play it anyway. Then as soon as anything starts brand new.
I'm here for
So what decks you think you're gonna see today?
I look like I've seen a lot of heroes. I've seen a couple people playing Gears, which they just picked up a lot of money because they don't know how to play from what I looked at. Dark Worlds and Agents and Blackwing.
Really? Blackwing? Somebody's actually gonna try the Blackwing thing. This guy. So we're gonna follow this guy today and see what his record be, just because he's using Blackwings.
And nobody knows that I'm playing today because I haven't told a damn.
So if you don't mind, Kadero, we want to tell everybody what you're running right now and see.
Agents.
Yeah, yeah, that's the hotness.
OCG Agents.
Oh yeah, no. I'm not even playing Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm playing Pokemon today. I'm just gonna see what people do.
All right, so guys, there you go. Kadero, want to say anything out there to the fans, man?
No. Good luck to anybody who has regionals today or basically this month.
YCS Toronto.
YCS Toronto. Oh yeah, that's gonna be another thing to follow.
Keep my phone on so I can
All right,
know what's
guys.
going on.
CLC 72 with Vexicus 4666. Checking out.